How profitable is a window cleaning business? A window cleaning business is very profitable.
Alrighty guys, so right now I'm here at a client's property. See all these windows here. This one's $350 for the inside and outside. The tracks that I clean are only the sliders. So it's an easy house to do. It makes it a lot easier when you have the right equipment. So I use a water fed pole to do the exterior windows. This house was easy. All my houses are easy to do. And why is that? Because I use the water fed pole. I'm very selective on the houses that I do. I don't want to do hard houses. Call me lazy if you want to. I'm just smart. I want to do houses that are easy for me to do. Don't have like a ton of windows. You know, just simple. Simple. You know, the screens are just popping back in, and that's it. Water fed pole this job. Easy, not hard. The outside took me about, I think it took me about like 45 minutes, 50 minutes. So let's say an hour of popping these screens back on. You see that? Take me another 10 minutes to pop these screens back on. Wipe the little sill real quick, and that's it. 350 bucks for cleaning these windows. Not bad at all. Plus the inside, the outsides are always easy. The outsides just go, boom, knock them out. The insides, they're easy too, because I don't have to worry about no tracks. This is a house that they're just, I think they're selling this house. This is one of my clients that just bought a new home down the street over here, so I think they're selling this house. But look at this stuff. Just be easy peasy. So I'm gonna shoot this real quick. Look at that. See? It's an empty home here. And that's it. That's it. Just gotta wipe those tracks real quick, and that's it, you guys. That's all I gotta do. Alrighty guys, talk to you guys in a bit. Alrighty, so I talked to a lot of window cleaners, and they asked me, hey Eddie, how is it that you get around not doing tracks? Well, the answer is I don't offer track cleaning as a service because I don't want to do it. It's pretty simple. It's your guys' business. You guys can do what you want to do. Just because somebody else is offering track cleaning as part of their business doesn't mean that you two have to also. So that's one thing that I do. You know, like everybody runs their business differently. A lot of people think it has to be universal. It's not universal. You guys got to do what you want to do that makes your day go by better and your business go by. It's not always about making money. It's about being happy with your day. If you're not happy and you're, you know, making a lot of money, that's gonna, you know, you still got a problem there, you know. So I like to be selective, choose the houses that I like doing, that are easy for me to do. I'm a one-man show, and that I can do on my schedule, my time, and the way that I like. You know what I mean? So like, it's not much. You see this, you guys? I just do the water fed pole, the outsides take me about an hour today on this house with the screens and all that good stuff. I just wipe and brush them down, pop them back in. It's not hard. The inside was easy too. Just don't think about it too much. You can start a window cleaning business. You don't have to be sitting there obsessed, obsessing about all the imperfections on the glass. Like, this house has window tint, and there's a bunch of bubbles all over the windows, because they're privacy tint. I can't do anything about that. I'm only there to get rid of like the fingerprints, the fly juice that's on the window. That's it. Alrighty guys, so I just finished this client's property. This is for a general contractor. It was an easy construction cleanup here. Easy house to do. Took me 3 hours in and out. I actually prefer not to do construction cleanups anymore, to be honest with you, because I don't like brushing and vacuuming tracks, and that's really a reason why I actually try not to do them. So it was an easy house to do here. I like it. Make good money, come in here, do the house real quick, bam, go back inside and enjoy the rest of the day and to finish all the stuff that I gotta do. Contractor pays you, and that's it. On to the next one. Just finished this client's property right now. I charged him $300 to service his property. It's a these windows, this house was easy. This house was really easy. The only thing I did not like about doing this property, honestly, was that on these homes right here, that windows are like 2 feet higher than what I'm used to, and I had to go inside and get the screens out because I could not take the screen out for the life of me here. I did that house for $300, and it was interesting because at the end, the client was like, Eddie, like, you did a nice job, like you did a really good job, he kept saying those things. So I was like, oh yeah, no, thank you, I appreciate it, I enjoy working here, thank you for having me. And he was like, I gotta tell you, like, the last guy we had over here, he was actually a company, because I saw the invoice that he gave him, and I was like, in my head, because he showed me the invoice, because I had asked him, I was like, oh, was it a company, was it just like a somebody doing it part-time? He was like, no, it was a company. And of course I'm not gonna say the company name that provided that service there, because I just don't want to do stuff like that. It's not me. So I saw the invoice, and I was like, wow, that is crazy. The guy cleaned those windows for $125. $125, like, for that house right there. I don't know, maybe people are like, oh, it was an easy house for me to do. I got the water fed pole. Even this gentleman wanted me to even go inside and clean his interior windows, and I was like, that's fine, I can do it real quick, and it didn't take me very long at all.